This is a fit for a 2012 through 2016 Honda CR-V with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections on the inner edges. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium WingBar EVO base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar EVO load bars in black, 47 inches in length, the 460R foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the rubber gaskets and the metal brackets along with security fasteners. This is part number 3118. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location at 31 3/4 inches from front to rear, center to center. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.